Good morning, guys. It's 6:30 down here. I don't usually wake up this early, but today we have a special duty to perform. Every once in 2 weeks, we spray the cows to keep away the pests like ticks from their skin. So this task is normally performed very early in the morning, but before the sun gets hot, to stop the pesticide from penetrating the skin, which could be dangerous to their health. You notice they have ropes on their necks. This kind of tethering controls their movement to make it easy for us to perform this task. We repeat the process until all of them are sprayed. It's time to spray the dogs, but they're already wailing. They really hate this bath. They seem to be consulting whether they should go through this process or not. And just like that, they ran away. It's time to attend to the chickens. And as I prepare their feed, my help will be cleaning the compound. So we don't use much of commercial feeds. We make our own chicken feeds. Like this is leftover ugali and some seafood that we buy at the market and just mix them up. Most of chicken feeds is dry food, so they drink lots of water. So we always give them some water to go with the food. In the house, cleaning is on. We mop the floor every other day because of the dust here in the village. So the house gets really dusty sometimes. Or when it rains, it's kind of muddy. So this has to be done every other day. I will now make my morning smoothie before I continue with the rest of the day's chores. Sorry about the background noise. My neighbor is logging. The afternoons have been really sunny here lately, and we spend more time outdoors, especially under trees because it's so cool. Let me give you a small tour of my little container garden that I just started. And it is the first time I'm growing ginger, and I see it's really picking up well. I'm also trying to put some tomatoes because it's the dry season, and it's very hard watering our main garden. So the container gardens will come in handy during this season. I also put some flowers here to attract bees for pollination. So I'm keeping the containers here to keep them away from the chickens, and I'll be organizing a better place for them. It's a beautiful afternoon, and I just want to sit under a tree and enjoy the beautiful nature, the chirping birds, butterflies, bees. It's so beautiful out here. This butterfly is really cute. I love the blend of colors under the sun. And that breeze under the scorching sun is doing me justice. It's been amazing hanging out with you guys. Thanks for watching, and thank you so much for supporting this channel. Please remember to subscribe. Bye bye.